The first one is Marketing and Logistics Management 3A. The second is Information Management 3C, and the last one is Communication Arts 4A. The distributed cardinal questionnaire from Marketing and Logistics Management 3A are 35 and the collected are 33. For Information Management 3C, the distributed cardinal questionnaire is are 22 and the collected are 21. For Communication Arts 4A, the distributed cardinal questionnaire is 22 and the collected is 22. The total number of distributed cardinal questionnaire are 79 and the collected cardinal questionnaire are 76. Therefore, the response rate is 96%. And the collected data of open-ended questionnaire were categorized by KJ method. KJ method is an organization-oriented technique to integrate the information from scattered to systematic. It's proposed by Kawaki Tajiro, who is a Japanese culture anthropologist. And there are two pre-stage of KJ method and 4 formal stage. And this research used the 2 pre-stage to the third stage, which is dynamic explanation. However, this research did not use the last stage, which is articleization. And from the data of open-ended questionnaire, there are 5 new attributes of blood. The first one is word amount. The item is, while using the blood, I will collect the information of word amount from my family and friends or other users as an important considerable factor. The second one is diverse function. The item is, this blood has a variety of functions to use. The third one is updation. This blood often updates the information. Next is stable system. The item is, the block is not easy to break down while browsing. The last one is large systematical space. The item is, this block has a large space to post my comments and all the pictures. And the questionnaire design of innovativeness. The first one is cognitive innovativeness is adopted from Cacioppo and Petty. Sensory innovativeness is adapted from Taylor et al. And the last one for change is adapted from Wood and Sweat. And this is a simple item of innovativeness. For example, I really enjoy a task that involves coming up with a new solution to problems. The questionnaire design of relationship quality, the trust, satisfaction, and commitment also adapted from the previous research. The researchers. This is an example item of relationship quality. For example, I have feeling that the content of this blog are trustworthy. And this research will use 5-point Likert scale to measure this questionnaire. 1 stands for strongly disagree, 5 strongly agree. And this is an example to answer this questionnaire. The collected data were analyzed by SPSS version 13, and descriptive statistic analysis is to analyze mean and standard deviation. Reliability analysis is to measure consistency and stability. Validity analysis is to measure how accurate every item. Multiple regression analysis is to examine the relationship between the perception of block and relationship quality. And cluster analysis is to classify the participants into different groups to examine the difference between their backgrounds. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.